So today I'm going to be making some random Japanese noodles I bought online. Check out the instructions. Alright. Okay. Close enough. Alright, water is boiling. Boiling. I cannot freaking speak. First thing in the morning. Yes, I'm eating noodles first thing in the morning. Alright. Awesome. Doesn't quite fit, but that's fine. Now that it's all boiled, I did dip out some of the water because I wanted it to be a little more thick. Stir that stuff in there. Stir that around, yeah. Now that looks kind of gross, if I'm being completely honest. That looks literally nothing like the package. Side by side comparison. It's like some sort of chow mein stuff. Boom. Alright, let's add some chilies. Just a little bit of chilies. Alrighty, well that's food.